In this video, I'm going to take a look at a laminator. So, check out a couple of images and then we'll get this opened up, talk more about it, see what's included, and see how it works. Alright, so we're going to look at this Nic pow A4 laminator. It's the GS818. So this comes with 30 pouches. So you can do business cards or whatever you like. I have a little sort of cooking reference type chart that I need to laminate so that in the event that you're cooking and something were to splash on it, it didn't become messed up. So 2 to 3 minutes is the warm-up period. You have a nice little measurement and cutting tool, so that's pretty cool. Just raise that up, close it down, sheet underneath. You can slice, so that's going to allow us to trim very easily, so I like that. We have our instruction manual. Our laminator, we'll take a look at that in a moment. We have a little rounding tool, so instead of having sharp pointy edges, we can round off the edges. That'd be kind of cool. And we have our laminating pouches. Alright, so we have our little laminating pouches, different sizes. So we have some really small, some sort of medium, and then we have some full sheets. Looks like we can get away with using a medium size. So I'll set that to the side. Alright, so looks like we have a green indicator light that has the word ready. We have an ABS button. If you had a paper jam or what have you, you can actually use this. If you have a problem, you have 4 rubber feet on the bottom, so it shouldn't scratch or damage anything. The cord is fixed, not detachable. Kind of be nice if it was detachable because it'd make it a little bit easier for portability, but it's relatively slim this way too. And we have a off and on button here on the front. It's a little toggle, a little red switch. Looks like it probably illuminates. So we plug this up here. Alright, so there we go. Get this centered as best I can. Alright, I believe we have enough edges surrounding. I'm going to turn this on. You can feel a little vibration from the machine. And only if I get right up next to it do I hear anything. So pretty much silent operation, so that's pretty good. Alright, there's a little bit of a click sound. The light is illuminated. So I'm going to insert this sealed side first. It's now pulling itself through. As you can see, hopefully. It's feeding itself out the back. Still very silent in operation. Alright. It's actually very, very smooth. No wrinkles or anything. Alright. So let me go ahead and turn that off. unplug it, set it to the side. It does say to keep it unplugged when not in use, which is pretty much a good idea with most appliances anyway, technically. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this under here. Very sharp. Cut very, very easily. Alright, so now that this is laminated, you can see it has a sharp corner. So we'll take our little corner cutter, and there's a opening right there. You can see little bottom pops off to clean out the little edges that come off. So try to get that, I guess, flat as we can into that little corner space there. Alright, so that actually makes a really nice rounded corner. So we don't have to worry about being sharp on the edges. Anyway, so that sums it all up. You saw what's included, you saw how it works, except for the several minutes of waiting time for the heating aspect. It's silent and fairly quick. Once it gets going, it pulls through really well, and if it were to get sideways, crooked, jammed, some kind of wrinkle appears or whatnot, there is a release button, so you can use that for the emergency release and just pull the sheet out and start again. So anyway, hopefully that's useful to you. If you want to find out more about this, you can check out the link below the video. Thanks for watching.